In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk update accounts in your transactions in Zoho Books. This step can save you a considerable amount of time, especially when you're dealing with a high volume of transactions. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to access the bulk update tool. Begin by navigating to the Accountant module on the left sidebar. Once you've located it, select Bulk Update. This is your entry point to managing multiple transactions efficiently. Now, look for the Filter and Bulk Update button and give it a click. This button is pivotal as it opens up the options you need to refine which transactions you're going to update. Now, let's talk about filtering your transactions. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll have the option to pick the specific account you wish to modify from the Account drop-down menu. This feature is particularly useful if you have numerous accounts and only want to focus on one. In addition to selecting the account, you can further filter your transactions based on additional criteria, such as a particular contact, a specific date range, or even the total amount range. These filters help streamline the transactions list, making sure you're only working with those that are relevant. Once you've set your filters, click the Search button. This will display all transactions that match the criteria you've set, providing you with a clear view of what you'll be updating. After you've filtered and located the transactions, it's time to update the accounts. You can select the specific transactions you wish to update by checking the boxes next to them. A helpful note here is that Zoho Books allows you to select up to 50 transactions at a time, so if you have more than that, you'll need to repeat this process until you're satisfied with your selections. With your transactions selected, proceed to click the Update button. This will prompt you to choose a new account from the drop-down menu provided. Be sure this new account accurately reflects where you want these transactions to be allocated. Finally, once you've chosen the new account, click the Replace button to perform the bulk update. And there you have it. Your transactions should now reflect the new account settings, and this change can help keep your financial records up to date and accurate. Remember to review your updated transactions to ensure everything has been switched correctly. Using these steps, you can efficiently manage your accounts in Zoho Books, maintaining a smooth and orderly financial operation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your bulk updating process a breeze.